Today in the galley, we're at Rose Canyon Cantina and Grill. And standing next to me is Chef Joe. Thank you, Chef, for being with us today. And what is it you're gonna cook for us?
I'll be preparing a seafood quesadilla.
And how do we get started?
So I'll be sauteing salmon, blue crab, and shrimp,
Right.
and vegetables.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay. Preheat the saute pan. And what I do here, I season the salmon with Mexican spice. Once the saute pan is hot, we add the oil. And then when it's go to the smoking point, we add the salmon. We season the shrimp with salt. After sauteing the seafood, we add the mushrooms, onions, more mushrooms, bell pepper, green bell pepper, red onions, garlic, and roasted poblano chili. So once we got all around like golden brown, we add a little bit of spinach and deglaze it with white wine. And finish up with cream sauce. So we grill the flour tortillas. We top with cheddar cheese and a jack cheese.
Okay.
So we'll let the cheese melt, and then you add the chipotle here. A little bit, not too much, because you're gonna get the smoky flavor of from the chipotle. So from here, so it's nice and crunchy. And then what we do, we fold it. Here's your seafood quesadilla.
Thank you, Chef Joe. This looks really good. So hot. You just came off the grill. You can taste the chili, and that sauce is really nice. You had it on there. It's really good. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
Remember, we're here at Rose Canyon Cantina and Grill. Just a really nice dish. I've never had a seafood quesadilla dish before. And all the years I've been doing this, it's kind of hard to say that's something brand new, but that's totally different.
Yes.
All right, well, thank you, Chef. Let's get back on the water and show you more exciting action right here on Sport Fishing.